In this video, you will learn German for beginners. The session number 5 gonna be in English, and today the topic we will discuss about its numbers, German numbers from 1 until 20. And keep watching this video, and then you will have a really good concept of German numbers. If you know first 20 number of German language, then you can count until 50,000, 100,000. First is number 1 is eins. It means number 1. The second one is zwei. It means 2. You have to pronounce like me, and you have to write down in your notebook. Third one is drei. It means 3. Eins, zwei, drei. Vier. It means 4. Next one is vier, means 4. Next one is fünf, means 5. Keep watching until the end of this video, then you will have good grip on German numbers. Next one is sechs. It means number 6 in English. You have to write down on your notebook. I say that again. Next one is sieben. It means the number 7 in English. Next one is acht, means the number 8 in English. And the number next is neun. It's a bit similar like English 9. Actually it is 9 in English, but in German it is neun. If you want more videos like this to learn German, do subscribe, then we will make some interesting videos for you. Next one is zehn. It means number 10 in English. You have to pronounce exactly like I pronounce. Next is elf, means 11. Next one is 12 with O umlaut, means 12 in German. Next one is 13, means 13. These are really important to speak like this because this is a German accent. 14 means 14. In English it's 14. And next is 15. It means 15 in English. Please make sure that you watch this video again and again to have a really good grip. Next one is 16. It is the number 16 in English. And the next one is 17. It means 17, number 17 in English. And number next is 18. It means 18 in English. So from 1 to 6 it was, and not normal, and then difficult, then normal like this. Number next is 19, and the last number is 20. If you have really good focus on this video, then I want to congrats to you because you have a good grip on the German numbers now. So if you are new, then please do subscribe for more videos, and if you have any question, please ask in the comment box. We will answer the same day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.